How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. I wanted to come with a short video today for a couple different reasons, but mostly because NAT stock has dropped since the market opened today. It's at $4.64 at the time of this recording, and I did buy more today. Just like I said in when I'll buy more NAT stock, that video that I had, I am going to buy more as the stock goes down, or I'm going to sell when it gets higher. I still think it presents a good value now. So I ended up adding about 20% to my position. So not a huge amount, but still significant for the position that I had. So as I said in that video, if you take the price of the stock minus the next dividend, which is 14 cents, if that reaches $4.50, then I'll buy 20% more, and that's exactly what it hit. So I bought 20% more in that NAT stock. Now, I did make a video today, just today, about another stock that is an oil tanker stock that's actually down 50% on the year. And I think it presents a really good value. I bought some of that today, so definitely go watch the video. I'll link it here so that you can watch it nice and easy. And I did want to tell you too, if you are looking at investing in these stocks going forward, definitely think about investing with WeBull. Just a quick plug, because they do have new promotions right now that are really good. They have the typical promotion that they have where if you sign up and invest $100, you get 2 free stocks, one worth up to $1,400. And the value of the stock's worth at least $14.50, I believe. So think about doing that. But they also have another promotion where you can win a share of Google. So if you don't know, Google is a very expensive stock. And if you share, there's promotion on social media, and then you do a hashtag, and then you deposit $100 and you refer someone else at the same time, then you get a raffle ticket to get a share of Google. So definitely think about doing that. That's a very expensive stock. And if you refer someone else, you get 3 stocks worth at least, I believe, $12 each stock, up to $1,400. So if you can just refer your significant other or a family member or a friend just to make some real quick money, just using that promotion, it's definitely worth doing. So I have my promotion code below if you want to use that. Otherwise, just look at these stocks and see if there's a good value going forward in these tanker stocks, because really their fundamentals haven't changed over the last few days. And NAT came out with earnings yesterday. They beat earnings and revenue. I think their stock price has probably dropped today just because a lot of people are selling out. A lot of people thought that the stock would jump after their earnings report. But it's a really, really young base of investors, a really immature base of investors, that just like when Tesla went up to 970 or something, you have a lot of people that don't really know anything about the company, don't really care about the company, that just think they can start buying in real late and it will just continue to go up in price. So you have a lot of people selling out now that are just saying, I'm just going to take whatever I earned, or I'm just going to take my loss and just get out of the stock. But as I said in my other videos, I think that they're going to make a lot more money over the next quarter. So I'm not looking at selling out my stock anytime soon. If anything, I'm thinking about buying more of these stocks just because their price is going down and they haven't announced their best quarter of the year, and they're supposed to make a good amount of money over the next year. So definitely think about that. I appreciate you guys watching the video. Please leave a like and subscribe to these videos and to my channel just so that you can get more of this kind of stuff. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.